Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Idaho. I know, this is so exciting, right? This isn't my house. I'm in an Airbnb right now, so don't be alarmed. I'm actually a gardener in Kentucky, zone 6B7. So anyway, today we are going to be planting another quick fall planted spring blooming bulb, and that is Scilla. I honestly have no, is it Scilla? Is it Scilla? Is it, I don't know. I don't know what else it could possibly be. Again, this is a thing that I've never had anybody have a conversation with me about. I've just read about it on the internet, so I don't really know how to pronounce the word. It is what it is. I mean, I'm just like you. I'm just some person who wants to garden, who had nobody in their family who ever gardened. Man, I'm from the city. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying my best. Cut me some slack. Anyway, today we are going to be planting the Scilla Campanulata. I think that's what it is. I think these have a bunch of various common names, which I can't remember off the top of my head. Maybe something like Spanish bluebells or something like that. Anyway, I picked up this mix from Longfield Gardens, mainly because it had a pretty kind of mixture of white, blue, and either this like light pink or like purple. The picture looks purple to me, but the package says light pink, so I'm just like, what are you really? I went ahead and I picked up a package of like 20 or 25 bulbs. I can't remember. It's probably like $6 or $8 or something. And I wanted to give them a try. Now, I had originally said, well, I'm going to plant these at my parents' house. And then I went to my parents' house to plant bulbs, to plant the daffodil bulbs and all these other bulbs. And my mom was like, I don't want that here, so... She is not somebody who's really into flowers or flower bulbs or anything. She's just, gardening is not her thing. She's like, no, I don't want that at my house. Put that at your house. So here we are. Well, not here we are. I'm in Idaho. But I planted it at my house. That's what I'm trying to say to you. I don't know how you guys watch these videos. I just ramble on and on and on and on. You'll have to forgive me. It's still early here. But anyway, taking a look at these bulbs. These bulbs are pretty small. So there's really not much to say about them. Some of them it was a little bit difficult to tell which end was up and which one was down, but if you looked really closely you could tell with no issue, so you want to make sure you're putting the right end down. I just planted these according to the package instructions in terms of depth, though I will admit I may or may not have spaced these a little bit closer than the package recommends. It seems like you can get away with this when you are planting flower bulbs. It really just depends on the flower bulb though, if you want it to naturalize, how long you're going to leave it in that location before you dig it up and move it. It just really depends on a lot of things, especially with these little flower bulbs. A lot of these little flower bulbs are prone to, kind of naturalize, so you might want to actually take advantage of that spacing listed on the package if you have the space. For me, I don't really have the space, so that's one of the main reasons I was kind of, I can plant it a little bit closer than that, maybe. After I placed the bulbs into the soil, all I did was cover them back up with dirt very carefully, not knocking them over and moving them around or anything like that. And I lightly packed the soil on top. Hopefully the voles will leave these alone. I'm not quite sure about their resistance to deer and other things, but I have a major vole problem in my yard. They eat everything. They devoured my tulips last year, so hopefully they will leave these things alone. I planted these in a mixed bed with a couple other spring blooming flower bulbs, and I'm really excited to see what happens. That's really about it for this one. I know it wasn't very helpful, but I thought you guys might like to see what I'm doing in the garden. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell icon. I would love to have you. Every time you hit that little bell icon, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a video. And I'm uploading pretty frequently. It could be vegetable gardening, flower gardening, soap making, or really just a wide range of things. Who knows what I'll make next. If you like a surprise, you might like it. Go ahead and share this video with a friend. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm not quite sure we can do it, but we're going to try our best. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.